Bom dia! Good morning, everyone! This is baby Logan. Hi, baby Logan! Testing his new toy. We're finally big enough to fit in that swinging chair. Yes! This was supposed to be closed, but if I close, what happened to baby's hands? Where are the hands? The hands are right there, inside. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Look, where's my baby boy? Where's my baby boy? Yeah, we can lift this here and make him taller. Whoa. See? Yeah, you look like a big boy now. You look like a big boy now. Are you cute or what? Are you cute or what? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Let's see. Oi. Are you having fun yet? Are you having fun yet? Yes, you are. You are adorable. Yeah. Hi, baby. Say hi to the family. Oi. Hi, everyone. I'm Logan. I'm baby Logan. Yes. I'm baby Logan. And I love mommy and daddy and the whole family. Hey, yo. What are you looking at? You look so cute today. I'm a little carrot. Look at my shoes. They're not really shoes, they're socks that look like shoes. Ó, o sapatinho. Que não é sapatinho. Isso é, na verdade, uma meinha que parece um sapato. Yes.